Hey guys, it's Larry, and I have another Plan With Me video, and this is going to be so cute. I cannot wait. This is a gorgeous layout that I got free online from Miss Victoria Thatcher. There'll be a link for her below. She does just awesome printable sticker layouts that are just gorgeous, and she's very prolific in the community, and so definitely check out her link below. And look at how cute this is. It's called Good Vibes Only, and I just am in love with the fonts, the colors, the scenes, the graphics. Just super, super cute. So this is just the PDF that I printed out. I used my Cricut machine to make my stickers, and this is a washi that I just knew this green was going to pop, and I had that color washi, so these colors blend perfectly here. But not sure how I'm going to use them or if I'm going to use them. So here are the stickers that I made, and I'm going to get started. I'm going to be planning for the week of June 17th through the 23rd. Of course, these are open. You can use them for any week of the year, well, probably summertime. But anyhow, if you want to see how this turns out and plan along with me, then stick around. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, these are Good Vibes Only from Miss Victoria Thatcher. This is a free printable planner sticker layout that she provides, and there'll be a link for her below. There's a lot more elements here than I actually am going to use, but these are the stickers that I made with my Cricut machine, and I'm going to get to planning. So this is my washi. Don't know what's going to happen, so you know the drill. Bring out your planner, sit down, plan with me, grab a cocktail, iced tea, whatever it is you're drinking, and we'll play some music and have some fun. So let's go, guys. this is my final layout before the pen, and I've got all of my functional stuff on there that I could think of in advance. I think it turned out really cute. So I love the different colors of the washi. I think it blends in great with her graphics, and I think it turned out really nice. What do you think? If you enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up or leave some comments. Let me know if you didn't like it, or if there's something that you would have done differently, or maybe just change it up a little bit. So I do have plenty of stickers left to work through the rest of the week. So I've got my little to-do tags, I've got an open note, and then little ones that I use usually for meetings or appointments, which I actually didn't look at my calendar yet. I might have a couple more of those to add, but anyhow, so I've still got some leftovers to work with. I'm ready to go. This is all before the pen, and I think it's gorgeous. If you would like to get a copy of this free printable planner sticker set, then check the link below and have fun making a beautiful calendar layout with these stickers. I think they're just gorgeous. So thanks for being here with me today. Have a great week. I'll see you in the next video, and please remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. See you guys. Bye.